So we're going to duplicate this piece of shaft that goes with the spin fixture from this piece of ground stock. This came out of an old printer, I believe, or copier. So I've had it for a long time. We're going to make a cut on the end, take the end off, cut it to length, grind the two flats, and then figure out what we can do to make the indentions to hold the gear in place. Saw is not liking this material. Good length on the part. We're going to deburr the shaft in really quick. Alright, we're going to grind the flats on each side of this. I'm just going to grind them to the width of the jaw that I've got here on the grinder. We'll just grind them both on the front. We'll flip the chuck around. And the flats are complete. We have the existing bushing. Put that on, and then the existing pulley. It'll line up with the flat. So what I'm going to do is transfer the location of this layout into this shaft. I'm just going to use some tape. I'll use some tape to cover the working area, and then I'm going to divot using a center punch. Once I actually do it, it'll push in and secure the gear onto the shaft without a problem. So I've got the part in the V. I've got my punch. I've got my hammer. I'm going to start doing this. So the first set's going to be rather just 2 taps. We'll cross it. First 5 notches in. I'm going to flip it over. Try to get it about 180 degrees so I can measure and make sure that we're at least coming up. The previous one, Came up to 511, 510 on the knurled section. What we're getting now, 508. We'll just keep going on around this thing. $5.15, $5.12, $5.14. A little bit larger than probably what it needs to be, but I think that's perfect because each one of those will grab on to the gear and hold it in place as if it was a spline. So we're going to start with the reassembly of the shaft and the gear. This is a it's a phenolic gear, and we're just going to push it onto the shaft and then drive it into place. About halfway there. I don't want to overshoot. Take a look where we are. 378, 372. Okay, what I'm going to do now is snug each one of these up, back it off, and see how the end play feels. So it seems like the sound may have been off for the reconnection of all the wires for this. We'll go ahead and carry on with it. Get an idea how much of this we need to have cut. All the way back. Like that one right there. All right, we're going to wrap this up. We've got an old center chucked up in the index fixture. We've got the motor rewound connected to the machine, and it does run. We've got lots of run out on this. I'm not worried about that. It's held secure. There's no issues. We're just going to regrind this surface here. We've got it set at 30 degrees over from center line, and let's get started. Check it out. We've got a part that we just finished doing a little bit of work on this old KLE grinder that we had to completely reassemble, completely rebuild the windings for the index motor here. But we've got a part complete. It's interesting surface features on it. It has a spiral, there's a spiral pattern that exists on this. Not sure why that's the case, but it's something we can work on over time. Didn't have any trouble with how it was operating. I'd like to build a guard for it. Maybe completely finish leveling it right now. It's a little bit, it's a little off. And we've got a few other things, a lot of alignment to work on. But we wanted to get something in here and see how the machine performed, and it does grind. We got lots of chips. It's done its job. And I'm excited about this. Thanks for watching. What is that?
I don't know.
What do you think it is?
I don't know.
What do you want it to be?
Oh, a mini firework.
Can you say that again right there?
A mini firework.
All right.